Hello students, today I am going to discuss BODMAS. So whenever we have a question in which there are more than one operation is there, so we always apply this BODMAS. BODMAS stands for bracket, off, divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here brackets are of four types. We will be discussing about them in the further slides. And off is another word for multiplication. So off is converted to multiplication. Rest all other are present in the same format. So moving ahead. So this is our first question. These are the questions from Cambridge Learning Book for class 6th. It is exercise number 2.1. So as we can see that there are many types of brackets here. We have square bracket. This is the square bracket. We have curly bracket and we have bar bracket also. So this bar or the line bracket is always solved first. So out of all the operations, this 7 plus 3 will be solved first. Why? Because it has bar bracket. So in the next step, solving bar, you have 7 plus 3 as 10. Now it is always the rule that you always solve innermost bracket first. So you have innermost bracket as 10 minus 8 plus 9, in which if we apply BODMAS, we always first do addition. So we will be first adding 10 plus 9. So 10 plus 9 gives me 19, and then the innermost bracket has the operation 19 minus 8. So we will be solving 19 minus 8, which gives us 11. Now this bracket resolves into giving answer as 11. Now 19 plus 11 is in the bracket, so we solve bracket first. So we get 30. Now only 4 plus 30, that is addition, is left. So our answer is 34. Moving on to next question. Again we have brackets and multiple operations. What we have to do is we have to solve first the innermost bracket. So 19 minus 4 is solved first. It gives us 15. Now the curly bracket is the innermost bracket, and in it division operation will be applied first. So 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. Now curly brackets have 5 plus 5. We will solve it first. So we will add 5 and 5, which gives us 10. The curly bracket vanishes now. Now in the square bracket we have 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 4. They can be added to give answer 31. Now we are left with 31 minus 12, which gives answer as 19. Moving ahead, we have a question in which we have inside two brackets. We can solve both the brackets at the same time. We can solve 8 minus 2 as well as 7 minus 4 at the same time and write our answer. So 8 minus 2 gives us 6 and 7 minus 4 gives us 3. Or you can go one bracket, you can solve one bracket at a time. For example, here we have solved 7 minus 4 only. So 7 minus 4 gives you 3, and then 8 minus 2 gives you 6. Right, and then here 3 bracket 3 means 3 multiplied by 3, because there is no sign between 3 and 3, only a bracket is there. It means multiplication. So we have converted this sign as multiplication, and we have solved this 8 minus 2 and written it as 6. Now first we will divide 24 by 6, because according to BODMAS division is always in preference to addition and multiplication. So 24 divided by 6 gives you 4, and then we have, according to BODMAS, we will be doing multiplication within the bracket first, because bracket is to be first solved and then multiplication. So 3 multiplied by 3 gives you 9, and 4 plus 9 in the bracket gives you 13. Now 14 bracket 13 will be changed into format 14 into 13, because as we have done earlier, 3 bracket 3 was changed to 3 into 3. So here 14 bracket 13 will be changed to 14 multiplied by 13, so which is 182 as our answer. In the next question, again we have bracket. We will be solving bracket first, but within the bracket again BODMAS is applied. So multiply is given preference over subtraction. So first we will multiply 7 into 12, which gives us 84. Now 84 minus 60 is in the bracket, so we will first solve the bracket. 84 minus 60 gives us 24. Now 24 divided by 8 gives us 3. Why we have chosen divide? Because according to BODMAS, D comes before addition and subtraction. So 24 divided by 8 gives us 3, and now we are left with two operations, addition and subtraction. So we are doing first the addition. 241 plus 3 gives us 244, and 244 less 18 or 244 minus 18 gives us 226 as our answer. This question has off. Now we will be understanding what does off means. So first of all, what we are going to do is off is converted to multiply. So here we have just interpreted off as multiplication and written instead of multiply. In the next step, as the brackets are there, so we will be first solving the brackets, and there is no preference, so we can solve them at the same time. So 21 divided by 7 gives us 3, and 27 added to 32 gives us 59. So we have solved both the brackets at the same time. Now in the visible operations, we have to give preference to multiplication. So half of 40 is 20, so half multiplied by 40 is 20. Now we are left with addition and subtraction, so doing the addition first. So 29 plus 59 gives us 88. Now 88 minus 3 gives us 85, and 85 minus 20 gives us 65 as the answer. Moving ahead, we have the innermost bracket as 81 divided by 9. So first we will be dividing 81 by 9, which gives us 9. Now 9 multiplied by 12 will be in preference. Why? Because according to BODMAS, multiply is in preference to subtraction. So 12 multiplied by 9 gives us 108, and within the bracket we have 108 minus 18, so we subtract them, we get 90. Now this curly bracket vanishes, gives us answer 90. Now within the square bracket we have 90 minus 6, so first we will solve the bracket 90 minus 6 as 84, and 5 bracket 84 means 5 multiplied by 84, so this gives us answer 420. Moving ahead, this is a very small question. According to BODMAS, first divide will be getting preference over addition and subtraction. So 63 divided by 3 gives us 21. Now addition will be given preference to subtraction, so we will be adding 21, 7 and 6, or we can just add 7 and 6 first together, so we get 13. And now we move to addition of 21 and 13. So when we add 21 and 13 we get 34, and 34 minus 12 gives us 22 as the answer. Moving ahead, we have the next question as In this question we have 12 minus 8 in vinculum. Vinculum means bar bracket or line bracket. So we first always solve line bracket. So 12 minus 8 is solved as 4. Now within the curly bracket we will be doing the subtraction. So 17 minus 4 gives you 13 and 13 minus 6 gives you 7. Now within the square bracket, as curly bracket vanishes giving the answer 7. Now within the square bracket again we have two operations, multiply and division. So division will get preference over multiplication according to BODMAS. So 7 divided by 7 gives us 1, and this leaves us as 7 into 1 in square bracket, which gives us 7 as the answer. In the next question we have the innermost bracket as 25 divided by 5. So 25, we will first solve the innermost bracket, that is the round brackets. So 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. Now round bracket vanishes, gives us answer 5, and we have in curly bracket 8 minus 5. So curly bracket 8 minus 5 gives us 3 and curly bracket vanishes. Now in the square bracket we have 24 plus 4 plus 3, which gives us 31. Now 3 bracket 31 means 3 multiplied by 31, which gives us 93 as the answer. In the next question we have 125 minus 15. So this is a very easy question. We just have two operations, minus and division. So first we will be applying division. 15 divided by 3 gives us 5, and then 125 minus 5 gives us 120 as the answer. So this is a very short question, probably a 1 marker, right? In the next question we have innermost bracket as 4 minus 3, so it will be solved first. So 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Now the curly bracket, which is 5 plus 1, which gives us 6, and then now the square bracket, which is 6 plus 12. So always round bracket is solved first, and then the curly bracket, and then the square bracket, right? So 6 plus 12 gives us 18, and 34 minus 18 gives us 16 as the answer. In the next question we have in curly brackets two operations, minus and multiplication. So according to BODMAS, multiply will be done first. So 2 into 4 gives us 8 within the round brackets, and 12 minus 8 gives us 4, and round bracket vanishes. Now in the curly bracket again we have two operations, multiply and plus. So multiply will be given preference, solving 3 into 4 gives us 12. Now 12 plus 4 gives us 16, and curly bracket vanishes. So within the square bracket we have 21 minus 16, so it will be solved first, which gives us 5, and the square bracket vanishes. So 55 minus 5 gives us 50 as the final answer. In the next question, again as the rule, we will first solve the round brackets. So 2 of 3, first 2 of 3 will be solved, and 2 of 3 means 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. Now 12 minus 6 in round brackets gives us 6, and the round bracket vanishes. Now the curly bracket has 7 multiplied by 7 plus 6. So multiply and plus are the two operations. Multiply will be given preference according to BODMAS, which gives us 49. So 49 plus 6 gives us 55, and the curly bracket vanishes, and within the square bracket we have 60 minus 55. 60 minus 55 gives us 5. So 35 of 5 means 35 multiplied by 5, which gives us 175 as the answer. In the next question we can see a line bracket or a bar bracket or a vinculum. So vinculum is always solved first. So 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and then the round bracket. In round bracket we have 3 minus 3, which gives us 0, and then the curly bracket we have 11 minus 0, which gives us 11, and within the square bracket we have 12 minus 11, which gives us 1, and the square bracket vanishes as soon as it gives the answer. Now 24 minus 1 gives us 23. Moving ahead, we have this question. Now we don't have round brackets, so first curly bracket will be solved, and in curly bracket we have two operations, out of which division will be preferred. So 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, and 12 plus 3 gives us 15. Now within the square bracket we have 42 minus 15, which gives us 27, and 28 plus 27 gives us 55 as the final answer. Moving ahead, we have the round brackets. So first round brackets will be solved, and within the round brackets we have to solve multiply first. So 5 into 3 gives us 15, and then 28 minus 15 gives us 13. Then within the curly bracket we have division, so division will be preferred. 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. Now 13 minus 12 gives us 1, and the curly bracket vanishes. Then in the square bracket we have 5 plus 1, which gives us 6, and the square bracket vanishes. Now 24 divided by 6 gives us 4 as the final answer. So students, thank you very much for patiently listening. Stay tuned for more videos.